Hello all, I welcome you to this tutorial sessions on operating systems. This is the introduction session. While beginning of any course, we all have three basic doubts. What is it? Why do we need it? And what are the practical implementations of it? So I'll try to answer these questions in this session. So what is an operating system? An operating system is an intermediary between the user of a computer and computer hardware. So it takes control of your machine when it turned on and becomes in charge of the machine. Like suppose, let us consider this example. Now you are accessing a Word document. So now you are the user and you are accessing the Word document application. And you created a Word document and you need to save the file. So to save the file, you need hard disk storage access. So how you will save the file? You'll click the save as button and save the file in respective folder. Now, it seems simple, but it is not. Operating system is taking care of the file management background by system calls. So in this way, operating system acts as an intermediary between your applications and hardware. Applications communicate to hardware via OS. Next, what are the functions of OS? There are three main important functions of the OS: abstraction, resource management, protection. To explain abstraction, let us consider this example. Suppose you are creating a Word document. For that, you need a mouse. For navigation, you need a keyboard to type the content. Now, with OS, you need not give code for the functioning of mouse and keyboard. But if OS is not present, then for using mouse and keyboard for their basic functionalities, for that also you need to write a code. But with the presence of operating systems, you do not need to do all of that. That means, and you also don't know the code which is used for the functioning of mouse and keyboard by the operating system. So that means those are abstracted by the OS from the user, hence abstraction. Next, resource management. You will have a limited RAM and limited number of processors. So all of the processors cannot exist since our memory is not unlimited, it is limited. So some should exist and some should be removed. So operating systems decide which process to be left in the memory and which process to be removed from the memory. This is done by the OS. Next, protection. Suppose you are using 2 or 3 applications, they all are present in the RAM. So operating system does not allow one process to affect another process. They are separated logically. So these are the three basic functionalities of operating systems. Hence, we need operating systems. Thank you for your patience in listening to this session. Thank you.